Christian Gottlieb Schick was born August 15, 1776, died May 7, 1812, was a German neoclassical painter. His history paintings, portraits, and landscapes are characterized by romantic tendencies. Of these, he is best known for his portraits. In 1797–98 he studied under Johann Heinrich von Dannecker, after which he relocated to Paris where he spent 1799–1802 in David's studios. Between 1802 and 1811 he stayed in Rome, where he became an important figure in that city's artistic and intellectual circles. He was an especially good friend of Wilhelm von Humboldt and his family. In Schick's last years, his style of Raphaelesque classicism gradually acquired a romantic orientation. In 1809, he was presented with a special citation by a group of French and Italian artists.